Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mobile payments with a focus on Fave. Ever heard of it? Maybe you've seen the logo at your favorite coffee shop, but weren't sure how it worked. Well, fret no more. This video will be your one-stop guide to mastering Fave and becoming a mobile payment pro. So, what exactly is Fave? Imagine this. You're grabbing lunch with friends, the food was amazing, and now it's time to pay. But you realize you forgot your wallet at home. Awkward, right? Here's where Fave swoops in to save the day. It's a mobile payment platform that lets you ditch the cash and plastic and pay for stuff right from your phone. Think of it like a virtual wallet that keeps your financial life organized and lets you breeze through checkouts. But wait, aren't there other mobile payment options? There are definitely some big players out there, but Fave offers some unique perks. For one, it boasts a huge network of partner merchants across various categories, from restaurants and cafes to cinemas and even travel agencies. Plus, using Fave often means you get access to exclusive deals and discounts offered by these partners. We're talking serious cashback opportunities. Alright, I'm sold. How do I use Fave? Getting started is easy. First, you'll need to download the Fave app, which is available for free on both iOS and Android. Once you've signed up and linked your preferred payment method, think debit or credit card, you're ready to roll. Here's the breakdown for making a payment. Find a Fave partner, look for the Fave logo displayed at the store, or browse the Fave app to see participating merchants near you. Scan and pay. Open the Fave app and tap on the Scan and Pay button. Your phone's camera will activate, ready to scan the unique Fave QR code displayed at the merchant's checkout. Confirm and pay. Once scanned, the app will show the bill amount. You can double-check the details and then hit Pay Now to complete the transaction. Easy as pie. Bonus tip, Fave Pay Later. Did you know Fave also offers a Fave Pay Later option? This essentially allows you to split your bill into 3 interest-free monthly installments. It's a great way to manage your finances and enjoy that fancy dinner without breaking the bank. Just remember to use it responsibly and always pay your installments on time. Beyond payments, the Fave experience. Fave isn't just about making payments. The app itself is packed with features that enhance your shopping experience. You can discover new merchants, browse for deals and promotions, and even keep track of your spending history, all within the Fave app. It's like having a personal shopping assistant right in your pocket. So, is Fave the right choice for you? Well, that depends on your needs and lifestyle. If you're someone who frequents Fave partner merchants and enjoys saving money through cashback offers, then Fave is definitely worth checking out. The convenience of mobile payments combined with exclusive deals makes it a compelling option. However, if your favorite stores don't use Fave or you prefer a different mobile payment platform, there are other great options available. The key is to find something that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy shopping, and don't forget to fave it if you liked this video.